list is used to store a group of values. It can contain different variable types. Let's create list L1 of integers by using square brackets. Each element is listed with a comma in between. To select an element, we use the same technique we used with strings. Using square brackets, let's select the first element at index position 0. Slice notation can also be used to select more than one element. Let's practice selecting the second and third numbers in the list. The second number is at index position 1, so that's where we start from. We then go up to, but not including, index position 3. This grabs the second and third number. If we want to select the last value in the list, it is at index -1. The list counts backwards from -1, so the second to last value is at index -2, and so on. To change the value of an element in the list, we simply grab that element and set it equal to something else. Let's change the first element to 10 and see how the list looks now. To add an element to the end of the list, we use the append function. Let's append the number 100 to the list. Each time this cell is run, it appends 100 to the end of the list. To remove a value from the list, we use the pop function. Let's pop off the second number from the list by selecting its index position 1. Our list now has one less element. Lists can contain variables of all types. In future lessons, we will learn more about lists by exploring two-dimensional lists and iteration.